Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, elevating your audio experience. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro represent the next level of innovation in wireless earbuds, embodying a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and ergonomic design. With an emphasis on superior sound quality, enhanced features, and user-friendly functionality, these earbuds have set a new benchmark in the audio accessory landscape. Introduction to Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2 Pro have emerged as the latest addition to their renowned lineup of audio accessories. These earbuds, an evolution from their predecessors, aim to deliver a heightened audio experience combined with advanced features, setting them apart in the market. Design and build quality. Crafted with premium materials, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro boast an elegant design that prioritizes comfort without compromising on durability. The ergonomic build ensures a snug fit, allowing for extended usage without discomfort. Audio performance. Equipped with state-of-the-art sound technology, these earbuds offer an immersive audio experience. The enhanced sound quality, coupled with effective noise cancellation capabilities, ensures a crisp and clear sound environment. Battery life and charging. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro provide extended battery life, catering to the needs of users during long hours of use. With swift charging options, they minimize downtime, ensuring continuous usage. Connectivity features. Featuring advanced Bluetooth specifications, these earbuds offer seamless connectivity across a range of devices. Their compatibility and connectivity options further enhance their versatility. Special features. Setting them apart are their advanced controls and additional capabilities. From intuitive touch controls to innovative features, these earbuds offer a plethora of functionalities. User experience and convenience. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, providing ease of use. Customization options allow users to personalize their experience according to their preferences. Comparison with competitors. In comparison to other similar products, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro stand out with their unique features and strengths, making them a compelling choice for audio enthusiasts. Price and value. Despite their advanced technology and features, these earbuds offer excellent value for money, making them an attractive investment for consumers. Reviews and customer feedback. Feedback from users has been overwhelmingly positive, praising the exceptional audio quality and the plethora of features offered by the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Pros and cons. While these earbuds excel in various aspects, a balanced evaluation reveals both their strengths and areas for potential improvement. Future upgrades and expectations. With continuous innovation being a hallmark of Samsung, expectations for future upgrades and developments in the Galaxy Buds series are high. Usage, tips, and maintenance. Optimizing the usage of these earbuds and following proper maintenance guidelines ensures prolonged durability and optimal performance. Community and support. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro have a thriving online community that offers valuable insights and support, enhancing the overall user experience. Conclusion. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro redefine the standards for wireless earbuds, offering an unmatched combination of exceptional sound quality, innovative features, and user-centric design. They present a compelling choice for anyone seeking a superior audio experience. Are the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro compatible with all Samsung devices? Yes, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are designed to be compatible with a wide range of Samsung devices. What makes the noise cancellation feature in these earbuds stand out? The noise cancellation feature in the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro stands out due to its exceptional effectiveness in reducing ambient noise. How long does it take to charge the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro fully? The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro offer fast charging capabilities, allowing users to fully charge the earbuds in a relatively short amount of time. Typically, these earbuds take approximately 2 hours to charge fully from 0 to 100%. Can the touch controls be customized according to personal preferences? Yes, the touch controls on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro can be customized to suit individual preferences. Samsung provides users with the flexibility to adjust and personalize the touch controls through their accompanying mobile app. What distinguishes the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro from their predecessors? Overall, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro represent an evolution in terms of audio quality, features, battery life, and comfort, setting them apart as an upgraded and refined version of their predecessors. Subscribe now to our YouTube channel for the latest videos, insights, and entertainment. Join our community today and never miss out on exciting content. Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated.